Howdy, 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 everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today is the 17th September, 12:46 my time. I've done a video in a little while. I just wanted to go over what's been going on. If you go over to our blog here, if you're on the podcast, it's USB flash drive with videos and books on market investing for beginners. So that's now fully got a description. You can also order the USB key if you want um, at this post here as well by clicking on that guy right there. We also have our chat group as well on WhatsApp. That's still humming and dinging along. And of course, if you want our usual free books, just visit quantlabs.net. So let's get into the stories here. Okay. I don't know what to say. I've done a harmonic scan on the markets, and there's very little longing opportunities there, rated as excellent. Let me just show you here. If you go to Yahoo Finance, we could see here that there's a lot of red, very little green. The markets are down quite a bit. You can see here in the headline, Wall Street pinned in the red after Fed and jobless claims. So we're at the beginning of a crash. But oil's up 1.82. Everything is just down, including Forex. Bitcoin and crypto's not doing too good. Even Asia from last night's not, and England's not doing too good either. So let's get to see what we could see in Moodwave. So here are our excellent scores. There's not as many as you'd want to see, um, but what I am seeing, not so many longing opportunities. Said if you are interested in longing, for some reason the UK 100 is trending up slightly. It's grinding its way up, as well as the bond here. You can see here these extreme moves the next day. So there's quite a bit of volatility there in the UK 10-year, or sorry, it's a 10-year, as well as the China 50 is down. A lot of major Forex is down. You can see here, um, even the Swiss franc safe haven play is not happening. Uh, Very few opportunity. We have here USD and Norwegian uh, is doing okay with a longing, not as strong as you'd want in terms of the outlook. DKK is doing okay. That's Denmark. And then when you get into silver, let's see what silver. So finally, looks like silver is finally got a long. That's in Canadian dollar. So things may be kind of back to normal here. I've gone through this before with different currencies. We have in euro, it's looking good. Hong Kong, it's looking. So it's a very mixed bag. But let's just see in the XAG and US dollar. That's what most people will have it in. But there are pockets where there are some longs in silver. Same with gold. Let's see. um, but gold looks like it's still got a short, yeah, mostly. But silver, there are some longs out there as well. Let's take a look at the 10-year bond. Yeah, there's a long there. And the UK 100 still a long, so that's looking good. Let's see what the Taiwan is looking like. Nope. So a lot of these pairs are just pointing down, except for the Eastern European or in Scandinavian. These are classic safe haven plays that we've been eyeing over the last few weeks. Even Poland, Australia, New Zealand, not so much. This is not looking good. So now we're into the very good ratings. Still Okay, so we have Australia and Canada. Are they both long? They are. So we have three combinations here that show they are long. Actually, we have one short and two long outlooks here. Oh boy. Um, so that might be an okay trade for Australia against Canada. How's the Germany doing? Shorts, Euro. Oh, we have a long on Euro 50. Well, we got two here. Yeah, so it's a mix. It's a washout, as I've always said. France, we have a long. So France is bizarre. Maybe a long there. Let's see the 5 year. 5 years along. 10. Well, that's a Treasury. 10, 5 year are both longs. Major Forex there down. Europe is not looking as good. Europe against Canada has a long. Euro and Japanese yen is not good. Euro New Zealand not good. I bet you Euro against Norway is good. Europe against Euro against Sweden not that good. Euro against Australia short. Wow, many shorts here. Okay, USD and Swiss francs okay. That's still working. So very convincingly, I would say USD in Norway, USD in Sweden looking good. Back to gold here. Just checking. Oh, we have a long. Sorry, that's silver. So silver in Australian dollars looking good. Let's see in Swiss franc, that's looking good. Silver is short. Silver and British pounds looking okay. Um, yeah, I'm not too confident with Hong Kong dollar. So, like I said, okay, so let's see silver in, no, no good there. I'm not going to look at any of these other ones. Gold, I'm not going to look at. Um, um, Platinum supposedly is a long, so let's check that out. Short there, that's in US dollar. You can see here it's dropped back quite a bit. That was a headline I posted on my Facebook, but that's not looking good. But the 5-10 years okay. Um, Singapore in Swiss franc. Let's see here. We got another long. So you have 2 out of 3 longs for that. Very few longing opportunities, as I already hinted at, except in Norway and Sweden. Actually, the Australian market is looking okay for now, at least. That's probably temporary. USD in Swiss franc, I said, was good. Um, so the USD and the rupees back. I wouldn't play that. They're just more solid uh, ones to be part of, and that's in USD in Norway. USD and Real's not looking good, and USD again in Swedish is looking good. So leave it there. Hopefully that will help you somewhat. I would not actively trade in any of these. Just if you need a safe haven, those are the ones I'd listed off from a longing perspective. Thanks and have a good day.